the national headlines this lunchtime. Army Region 4 issues instructions for officials to urgently assist flood victims in the south as the situation gradually returns to normal. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Interior defends its budget allocation for local administrative organizations and responds to criticism from the opposition. In global news, South Korea's military reports that North Korea fired over 200 artillery shells in a 2-hour period. And on the business agenda, Air Force of Thailand indicates its readiness to support the government's approval of a permanent visa-free arrangement with China. Let's now take a look at those headlines and many more in detail. Brought to you by 55 years of Bangkok. Skytrack's best regional airline in Asia and the world for 7 consecutive years. Welcome to the Midday News Hour. Now live streaming from our Facebook page, Radio Thailand FM 88. First up in national news. Army Region 4 has issued instructions for officials to urgently assist the flood victims in the south as the situation gradually returns to normal. 4th Army Region Commander, Lieutenant General Thani stated that all sectors were prepared and have been providing assistance before, during, and after the flooding in managing the situation. He also acknowledged the extensive damage caused by the flood, including to homes, public properties, and government facilities, that he described as incalculable. The commander added that the Army coordinated with various government departments, deploying personnel and equipment to promptly assist citizens during the emergency.